Premium Adult Terry Bib, Velcro Closure. Premium Adult Terry Bib is made with 100% ring-spun cotton fabric. The fabric gives a soft and comfortable feel. It is also highly absorbent and durable. The Velcro closure on the bib allows for easy and adjustable fastening, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit around the neck. These bibs are typically larger in size to provide ample coverage and protect the chest and lap area during meals. It can have machine washable for convenient cleaning and reuse. Available in white, blue, and striped colors. It measures in distinct sizes: 18 inches by 30 inches, 18 inches by 36 inches, 22 inches by 36 inches. Ideal use for hospitals and healthcare centers, nursing homes, hotels, motels, resorts, tourist homes, holiday inns, and home care. Make a look at our best collection of new Easy Tie Bib High Supplies Inc. For more information, contact us. custserve@highsupplies.com. Please log on to www.highsupplies.net. Shop now.